If you want your Instagram account to look professional, then watch this video till the end. You are going to learn how to pin your post on Instagram. The pinned post always appear on top of your Insta profile, no matter how many other new posts you upload. This will help you to show your most important post to your profile visitors. Subscribe to stay tuned and keep getting relevant, reliable, straight to the point tech videos. Now let's start. Open the profile section in the Instagram app. Select the post you want to pin. Tap on these three dots. Hit pin to your profile. Now this post will be shown on the top like this, always, regardless of how many new posts you upload after this. A pin icon will be there to indicate these are pinned. To unpin any of these pinned posts, do the same. Open that post and tap on three dots. Tap on unpin from the profile. Now that post won't stay on the top and will be placed in its previous position. Now you can show the main and most important content of your profile to your profile visitors by pinning it. Like this video if it helps you. Thanks for watching.